that we are not going to speak. We are now going to have organizations, NGOs to speak. I don't know what is happening there today, but that's because we take a lot. Can I have NGOs to come and speak?
The issue of gender-based violence and sexual violence against young children and women continues to be a significant crisis in South Africa.
Justice for Congo, justice! Justice for all GBV victims, justice! Our pledge and our commitment as municipality ukuncedisana nabahlali bonke basemakhaya siqiniseke into yokubana xa kuthiwe kukhona imeko ezinje okanye kuyiwe kwiinkundla zomthetho sonke noba kuthibhitele eKapa okanye eBloemfontein siyahlala thina apha emakhaya sibabonise uba inxeba lelethu sonke.
Sizokuzibophela ekuthini umsebenzi wethu thina zonke izitatistics ezingena kuthi sizaziforwarda as early as possible kwa-SAPS and senze i-follow-up of all these sexual assault cases. Inyele basebenzi sisela umanyano. Xa kukho izinto ezinjena masidibane sonke singabahlali, singabasebenzi, regardless of skin color, regardless of political affiliation, malidibane ilizwe lithethe ngazinye.
As young people in this region, is that we are not only doing this for Kwekwe, but there are a lot of Kwekwes among us.
I must commend the mother, I must commend her because if it wasn't for her persistence, I learned that this thing happened last year in October, and for the fact that the mother has been persistent over and over again, and the country has gone to answer to this mandate and stand in unity. So in that I'll be the success as I call them young people.
Sukhala kwindaweni ekhona. Kwindaweni ekhona ubaka iziphumo ezinjeni. Ngoba ungafika uqonde into ethi uprincipal engelanto emntaneni uyaziswa ngumama nokuba nangaba kutheni na awethu amalungelo nawabantwana bethu esibazale kabuhlungu sizawamela. Sicela kumadoda, sicela abantwana bakhuseleke, abantu ababhinqileyo mabakhuseleke, umntana makazive esafe phambi kotata wakhe, umntana makazive esafe ngaphambi komntata, umntana makanxibe nantoni na afuna uyinxiba phambi komntata. Justice for Mkwekwe, justice!
And supportive system. There must be a clearly identified and easily accessible reporting system in place for students, parents, and staff members to report any incident of GBV or sexual violence. This system should guarantee confidentiality and provide immediate support services, including counseling and legal assistance for the victims.
Kuba utitshala utofana nabantwana okanye the principal of school itofana nabantwana expose these things. We have a number of cases esizifumanayo, and I have no doubt siyabasuspenda otitshala kwenziwe investigation and sithumele iteam yethu ye-social workers ne-therapist to make an intervention with social ills zabantwana. So rest assured, we are behind you as this department and will always support you. Just if memo, we are going to take it and escalate it when you're level to the office of the HOD through our district director, and obviously from the HOD it will go to MEC Garden, about Imakanda. It has taken an action as strong against the GBV. Aloma Zulawa Kasiandimulela City Department, she condemned against GBV. She said will always support you. What are the exposed cases so that we deal with them harshly as the perpetrators. Thank you very much, Reverend.